seek the future. I will lift the curtain of time. It is your destiny. You looked into my eyes. Your destiny now lies beyond the gates of doom.
Great! I ask for help and they send me tourists. Swerve left! Up to the left! You had to look, didn't you?
Snakes. You guys are on your own.
Get some light down here! There you are! Let me in! Let me in!
Not bad. For tourists. Now, stay out of trouble, will ya?
What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Indiana Jones Adventure at Disneyland Resort. Disney Parks actually just uploaded this POV to their YouTube channel and they have the most resources out of anybody, so the audio is really clear and I think it's the best POV of this ride on the internet. I think it's super cool that they're uploading POVs to their Disney Parks YouTube channel. The link to the original video of this POV is in the description if you are interested. I really do appreciate you guys always watching and commenting. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, Theme Park Groupie.